Welcome back to our channel. This is Techie Rick. In this video, we are going to take unboxing the Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra Plus water test. This device serve in underwater. Everything review in this video. This is the Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra. Xiaomi give you 67 watts adapter additional. It's for free, but you won't buy extra cost Xiaomi's wireless charger. It's 18 watts wireless charger. The build quality design. It's quite interesting. Yeah, its quality is really good. Not bad. It's plastic, but its build quality is good. It's 18 watts wireless charger, but it take using the 67 watts fast charging. Xiaomi claim this wireless charger take full charge 0 to 100% just 36 minutes. I don't know. In future, make the charging test. Okay, let's come into the box. Okay, don't waste your time. First open the box, then look the phone content. Inside the box, front side one mini box inside one TPU case here, more mobile phone. Then no more contents here inside the box. This time Xiaomi changed its mobile phone design. I like this design. Yeah. The phone display comes with 6.81 inches quad curve AMOLED display with HDR10 plus panel. The resolution of the display 2K. Wow, it's good. The refresh rate support 120 Hz. Normally use 60 Hz, you want to change 120 Hz, but 90 Hz option not available. Phone backside totally triple camera setup here, but the camera bump is little bit huge. Yeah, it's little bit huge, but the design is good. The main camera 50 megapixel, second 48 megapixel ultra wide, then 48 megapixel pyroscope camera with support 120x digital zoom. Also have this one small screen you want to control the everything. You want to edit the photo and change the songs. Battery wise, this device comes with 5000 mAh battery with support 67 watts fast charging. 0 to 100% 36 minutes. Okay, let's look the water test. Yep, this device comes with IP68 water resistant. This device really serve when underwater. Just I'm take the 1 minute water test after the sound test. It's really serve or not. You have any idea, guys? I don't have also idea. Okay, let's put the phone in underwater.
Find your way into this wonderland.